Hey everyone, today I've got something really exciting to show you. How to get the Jenny mod up and running on both iOS and Android devices. If you've been searching for a way to install it and couldn't quite figure it out, you're definitely in the right place. I already have it fully set up and working smoothly on my iPhone, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can do the same on your own device, whether you're using iOS or Android. The best part? The whole process is actually a lot simpler than you might think. I'll guide you through everything step by step so you can follow along easily. By the end of this video, you'll have the Jenny mod installed and ready to use. So go ahead, grab your phone, get comfortable, and let's jump right into the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser. In my case, it's Safari. And go to the website called pluginrise.com. Pluginrise is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Jenny and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete, but don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.